Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gears of War 3 split screen. First, ensure your second controller is properly connected and recognized by your console. Then, simply start Gears of War 3 from your game menu. Once the game loads, navigate to the main menu and choose either Campaign to play through the story together, or Multiplayer for competitive or cooperative modes. It's a straightforward process to get started with a friend. After selecting your desired mode, player 2 needs to press a button on their controller, usually Start or A, to join the session. The game will then prompt them to select their character or profile. Once confirmed, the screen will automatically divide into two distinct sections, allowing both players to have their own view of the action. This seamless transition ensures you can jump right into the fight with minimal fuss. Gears of War 3 offers a fantastic split-screen experience across multiple modes. You can team up and conquer the entire thrilling campaign story together, experiencing every cutscene and battle side by side. Beyond the campaign, dive into local multiplayer matches or face endless waves of enemies in the popular cooperative Horde mode. For a different challenge, try the Beast mode, where you play as the Locust. To maximize your split-screen enjoyment, make sure both players have comfortable, fully charged controllers. Also, consider adjusting your television's display settings, like brightness and contrast, to ensure optimal visibility for both halves of the screen. A clear picture makes a big difference in intense firefights. And hey, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for a link to these awesome socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.